Understanding our suppliers is a vital starting point in getting them to adopt better, more sustainable practices in their businesses. An effective way to learn about them is through supplier site visits. These site visits enable us to build a complete picture of our suppliers' current practices and understand what help they need to address the gaps. This is in line with Golden Agri-Resources Social and Environmental Policy, also known as GSEP. Step 1. The process starts with selecting suppliers to visit based on factors such as mill risk ranking, purchase volume, and strategic commercial relationships. Step 2. A team of 3 to 4 persons is formed to conduct the site visit. Each team member has a specific area of expertise relevant to the supplier's needs. Step 3. During the site visit, we look at the mill's operations but also at those supplying the fresh fruit bunches to the mill. Step 4. We go through a checklist of items with the mill, plantation, and smallholders to identify gaps in the sustainability practices and compare it to the GSEP. Step 5. To better understand the impact of the mill's operations in the area, we also hold dialogues with other stakeholders such as village officials, community leaders, district and provincial governments. Step 6. We detail the findings of the visit in a site visit report, including recommendations and actions for improvement. The full report is shared with the supplier. Step 7. The supplier then develops and implements an action plan to address gaps identified during the site visit. We then monitor the progress of the action plan. Step 8. To maintain continuous engagement, our supplier engagement and development team carries out supplier support programs with many of these visited mills. Now that you know more about how third-party supplier site visits work, visit our website to learn more about how other stuff works in the palm oil industry.